Hey, Ellie. For your question about the forms assessment, so I'll just model what I would do. So there's always going to be one of these for math. Well, 99% of the time, because this is how we get our math grades. So this is just a duplicate link. This is not the link I want to give to kids because then they would duplicate it to their account, and that would be weird. So I hit duplicate. And then you go to share and keep it as only people in my organization. That way when kids log on to take the assessment, it already has their name saved. I hit copy, and then I would go to Seesaw, and I make a new assignment. And I will put the link there, and I just name the assignment whatever the quiz is called. So it's called 325 measurement. And then it'll make the assignment, and I would assign it to my whole homeroom for next Friday or Thursday, I guess is when it is. And then the time, I usually start math at 12, and then you would hit assign. And you can check that it assigned by going to calendar, and then next week. Sorry, I have to refresh. This thing's so slow. Go to the 25th, and then there it is. So yeah, that's how you do it. I'm going to delete it because I'm going to let you retry that process so that way you get the scores, because if they use this link, I'll get the scores. And that would not be fun. Okay.